Welcome back to another ZoloBlocks tutorial. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the navigation block by ZoloBlocks, a powerful and flexible tool that lets you create fully customizable menus right inside the Gutenberg editor. Whether you're building a header, footer, or a mobile-friendly menu, this block gives you complete design freedom. It's perfect for everything from one-page websites and blogs to portfolios and full business sites. If you're looking to create clean, user-friendly navigation that fits your style, this block has you covered. Let's jump in and see how it works. First, you'll need to insert the block into the editor. You can do this either from the block inserter located on the left-hand side or through the menu bar. Simply click on the three dots, then choose either Add Before or Add After. Once that's done, type a / followed by the block name. When the block you want shows up, just click on it to insert it into the editor. After you've selected the navigation block, a box will appear with a button labeled Start Blank. Click on this button, and you'll see 3 additional options appear alongside a plus icon: Items with a mega menu, Items with a drop-down, and Only Items. For this particular video, we'll be selecting the Only Items option. Once you choose Only Items, a menu bar will appear displaying 3 default menu tabs along with a plus icon. By clicking on this plus icon, you can add additional menu tabs. For instance, click the plus icon, type in a menu name like Articles, then click on the Submit icon. You'll now see that the Articles tab has been added to the menu. Next, click on the Document Overview button located in the top left corner. Under the Navigation tab, you'll notice 4 navigation items listed: Home, About, Contact, and Articles, each representing a separate menu tab. Now, let's go ahead and add another menu tab named Services using the same method. You can also rearrange the navigation items listed under the Navigation tab to change the order of the menu items, however you'd like. With the Navigation tab selected, open the Settings panel from the top right corner. Inside the Basic tab, you'll first find the General section. Here, you can set the alignment of the menu to fit your layout needs. Next, you'll find the Mobile menu settings. This section allows you to define the breakpoint as desktop, tablet, or mobile. The breakpoint determines the screen width at which the navigation menu transitions from a traditional horizontal layout to a mobile-friendly version, ensuring a smooth and accessible user experience across all devices. Following that, you can upload and set a logo image. When the menu shifts to a mobile layout, this custom logo can be displayed either inside the mobile menu panel or in the header section. You also have the option to adjust the image resolution. Just below that, you'll find settings for the hamburger icon, which is the menu toggle button that appears in mobile view to represent the collapsed navigation menu. Now let's switch over to the Style tab. The first section here is the wrapper. Hold on, it looks like the free trial button beside the menu items isn't displaying properly. For improved layout and appearance, head over to the Extra tab. Make sure the Parent Navigation tab is selected. Under the Width option, set it to Inline Auto. That adjustment should make it look much better. Now, return to the Wrapper section. Here, you can customize elements like background, border, box shadow, and border radius. Feel free to personalize these settings to match your preferred design. The next section is called Menu Items. Within this section, you'll notice 3 subtabs: Normal, Hover, and Active. In the Normal tab, you have the option to change the color of the menu items. Following that, you'll find the Typography settings. The Typography panel allows you to customize various aspects such as the font family, font weight, font size, letter spacing, line height, text transform, font style, and text decoration. After configuring typography, you can further personalize the design by adjusting the background, padding, border, box shadow, border radius, and the gap between items. Moving to the Hover tab, you can customize how the menu items appear when a user hovers over them. Here, you can change the color, background, and border color. Similarly, the Active tab offers the same customization options as the Hover tab. You can modify these settings to match your desired look and feel for active menu items. Next up is the mobile menu section. To begin, you can define the width of the wrapper to suit your layout. After that, you can adjust the background, padding, border, box shadow, and border radius, just like in the previous sections. Just below, you'll find 3 additional subtabs: Logo, Hamburger, and Close. In the Logo subtab, you'll be able to configure the width, padding, and margin settings for your logo. Now switch over to the Hamburger subtab. In this area, you can personalize the hamburger menus: color, size, background, padding, and margin. Then, under the Close subtab, you will find all the same customization options as the hamburger menu. In addition, you'll also see options to adjust the border, box shadow, and border radius. Right below that, you'll find settings for hover states, including color, background, and border color. Keep in mind that these customization settings, border, box shadow, border radius, color, background, and border color, are also available in the Hamburger subtab. Feel free to adjust them to align with your design preferences. The final section is the indicator. This section also includes 3 subtabs: Normal, Hover, and Active. Under the Normal tab, you can fine-tune the indicator's color, size, background, padding, and margin. You'll also find controls for border, box shadow, and border radius located just beneath. Next, in the Hover subtab, you can change the indicator's color, background, and border color to define how it looks on mouse over. Finally, the Active subtab provides the same customization options as the Hover tab, allowing you to style it consistently. Customize these settings to create the ideal look for your active indicators. And that's how simple it is to design your navigation menu using the navigation block from ZoloBlocks. But the process doesn't end there. If you wish to add submenus under any primary menu item, you can easily do that as well. To create a submenu, select any menu item from your list. Then, under the Basic tab, locate the General section. Here, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Add Submenu. Simply turn it on. Once enabled, a new option titled Add Menu Item will appear under the selected menu item. Click on this option and enter the name of your submenu, such as Our Mission. After typing it in, click on the Submit icon. That's it, you're done. Now, when you hover over the About menu item, you'll see the Our Mission submenu appear underneath. Using this method, you can continue to add multiple submenus under any menu item effortlessly. Once you've set up your navigation block, save your changes. For creative ideas and real-life examples, check out the live demos on our website to see how ZoloBlocks makes building intuitive navigation simple and stylish. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow designers, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.